Sydney's at an appointment, so I got to make sure I got her covered. Okay. Every day, usually our last lessons are most energy down lessons, so I printed out the note for you. You can make notes on that note if you wish. Okay. So binomial probability distribution, okay? So this here, a binomial experiment has these 5 things about it. There are n independent trials. These form binomial experiment, okay? Purpose is to determine success that has occurred. There's only 2 possible outcomes, okay, for each trial. The outcomes don't have to be equal, as in a coin flipping, okay? But there's only 2 possible outcomes, okay? So success is noted by P. Is this lesson going to be recorded so we can watch it? Yeah, I'm recording it right now, Miles. Success is P, and Q represents failure. And all Q is 1 minus success. Okay? And the trials are independent of each other. Oh, and the probability remains the same through everything. Okay? So it's independent. So one trial does not affect the next trial. Does that make sense to everyone? Thumbs up? Okay. We haven't heard anything you've said in the past 5 minutes. Okay. Luckily, it hasn't been that important. Let me try. Can you hear me now? The internet has been super bad today. Can you hear me right now, Regan, or not? Yeah, but probably cut. I'll probably cut out. Okay, so right now I'm recording. So I will post it once I'm done. So if it's a point where it's just not. All right, so we'll do this. Read ahead of your little thing there as I message these guys.
Yeah, there's a lot. It's crazy. Hopefully you can get it for like a second round pick down.
And he doesn't go to jail.
I wasn't finished talking, and if it's not, none of it's true, then you get him for a second round pick. If it's true, well, then that's obviously second.
Inappropriate conduct. Of course, they're coming out now when he's trying to switch.
Popular NFL player Deshaun Watson.
Paige, you know the routine.
What happened? Well, he wants to get traded, and now the people that he sexually assaulted, I don't know if it's true or not.
Well, okay. Here we go. So, let's write down. Did I put this format in your? Is your format on your page right here? Where is it? No. Is it on your notes itself?
This is an easy lesson, right?
Whereabouts?
At the top, middle, top beside.
Okay.
This is an easy lesson.
Yeah.
I hope so.
All right, here we go. So we're working with this formula here. Actually, not this formula. This formula here. Binomial, what's it say? Probability. Okay. The probability of k, of n equals k. So n is the total number of trials. K is number of successes. So what I would do to that, your formula here, is write in. Where'd you put? Where is it on the sheet? I want you to move that. Okay, then no, that's fine. It's there.
Can we write down like the F?
Yeah. You guys write down beside that formula this.
They're planning a virtual prom.
Hell no.
Okay.
Mine is throughout my mouth.
No.
Here we go. For that formula, which is the top right. Okay, let's go.
You're gonna see me in the camera on the virtual prom?
I'm not gonna give you the talk.
So, you guys got this?
Mr. O is supervising it actually.
Top, middle.
I'm gonna
No, I want to get through this class. I'm not talking about online prom.
That's so shitty. That just makes it more depressing.
It stinks for everybody.
Thanks for you.
It doesn't stay good.
Dude, I'm showing up. I'm going half shorts on the bottom, then tucks on the top.
Okay.
Nice.
Where are we writing this?
Oh my god. In the fall.
Top, middle is this formula here.
We're just gonna have our own prom, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah. I was showing him the formula. Top, middle is the formula, correct? And then, so this is in your top, middle of your reference sheet. And this is the explanation of all the variables in it. Okay?
Is there any or is it our next year?
Yeah. But it's already on your sheet too. You can copy it off your sheet.
Where does it go into?
Top, middle, that's the formula.
What word is that?
Failure?
Suitcases?
Success.
I think you might have. Oh no, that is a C. What are we writing? Looks like a U. I'm so.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah.
You guys still have this? No. I wasn't going to that anyway.
There's a movie night?
Apparently, but
Spirit week,
I think they're doing that.
they really need to. Like 80s one day, Hawaiian the next, or something like that. I would do it if everyone else actually did it.
Which tip?
If everyone else actually dressed up, I would.
Yeah.
When I was in when I was in OAC, for the last bit of, like, the last chunk of the last semester, I decided not to care anymore.
Oh.
I had a girlfriend and school's almost over.
You had.
So,
You had a girlfriend, so all bets were out the window.
hey, it must have worked. She's still with me. So,
Aww.
Oh. No, you actually bribed her for the.
bribed her, yeah. So for the last chunk of school, I just wore my dad's 70s. I just went into my dad's closet and he had like shirts from the 70s. So I just started wearing those to school every day. So like I just show up with a different 70s shirt on and so on. It was nice. No,
Okay, we get it. You had a normal grade 12 year.
What are you looking
I'm sorry.
for the last one?
Not really. I wore 70s,
Look at my Snapchat.
grade 13.
You didn't even funny.
Okay.
Prom. Did you go to your prom, Mr. O?
Obama.
No, because it was canceled.
Good answer. Good answer.
Okay.
Did your grad sweater come in?
We didn't have grad sweaters.
What do you have?
We had a grad cow.
Like the.
Okay, here we go.
You don't even get those.
Did you say grad calf or grad cow?
Cow. My grad cow came in late. Okay, let's take a look at this example here. Okay, I heard that.
Yeah, I don't know who said that. Was that you?
No, it was no, not that.
He got to get the count
Okay,
and he
a weighted coin is tossed 5 times. So a weighted coin means a coin backside.
You just literally skipped over a whole note
What? We didn't have.
without any explanation.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Let's take a look back here.
No, we're not.
No, we're gonna hop on a Zoom call or a team
Okay.
call.
So here is this example here is describing the following. You're playing baseball. Okay? You have 3 at-bats. You want to have 2 successful at-bats. Okay? What's the probability of when you have 3 at-bats, you have 2 successful at-bats? Your probability of success is 0.6.
This was the question that was on our homework class.
Okay, yeah. Your probability of failure is 0.4. Okay? So what's the probability that you will have 2 successes in 3 at-bats? So it's 0.2, sorry, 0.6 to the power of 2, because that's how many successes you want. 0.6 is your probability of success. It'll be given to you, yeah, right here. Probability of success, probability of failure, right? So then you go 3 choose 2 times 0.6 squared times 0.4 to the power of 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. That's it. Okay? Make sense? Or is it 3 times 2, or are we just multiplying those two together? Let's take a look here.
Why do you multiply by 3 at the end?
3 choose 2. 3 choose 2 is 3. I bet that should be, if I were to rewrite this, if I were to write this down, it would look like this. 3 bracket 0.6 squared times 0.4 the power 1. That 3 is 3 choose 2. Oops, 3 choose 2. Take away that fraction.
Where's the 2? Wait, so can you type this in your calculator by doing 2 C3 times 0.6 squared?
Yeah, times.
And then
Yep.
you would get the same answer?
Okay, here we go. A weighted coin is tossed 5 times. So it's a weighted coin, so it's not going to be 50-50. Okay. What's the probability of getting 3 tails? We're tossing it 5 times. If the probability of tossing a tail is 0.65. Okay, so if you look down here, the formula, how many trials do we do? 5 trials, and you want 3 tails. So it's 0.65 to the power of 3 and 0.35 to the power of 2. As in 3 tails, I want 3 tails, right? And this would be 2 heads in this case. Make sense? And then you plug that into your formula, and you have a 34% chance of getting 3 tails and 5 flips. Okay? And then the expected number of tails, if you want to do your expected number, right? 5 times the probability, because you're doing 5 flips. Okay? And that is it. That's it. No, I cannot allow you to go home. Let's take a look at the homework to make sure.
Do it.
I'm leaving you guys there.
You guys can do question 1,